Cross Visions. We are here in Washington, D.C. at the auto show, and there are some beautiful cars that I want to show you. This is a Lamborghini Countach. Seriously, it's the name of it. Got the Wraith. Wow, that color. Slate gray and stripes. It's clean. Ooh, 750. No, it's a 720S. McLaren. Man, this thing is gorgeous. It's gonna be the next car on the channel. It's gonna be my next car right here, man. I'm just loving this McLaren 720S. It's beautiful. Got a carbon fiber hood on it. This car has carbon fiber headlights on it. Look at that security guard posing. He got that gangster pose. Check him out. These things are about $480,000. Ooh, he on his job. Good move, sir. Can't let him get by them cars, man. Can't let him get there. Yeah, grab your kid, huh?
$100,000,
exactly. We got a Whipple. That's a Z37, 370, I mean, with a Whipple on it. Man, you ain't playing no game. Black Panther bought this car out here. All the way from Wakanda. Muscle, American Muscle. 1966 Chevelle. It's American Muscle right there. Honda NSX. Love this color. Then we got the big dog, like the NSX GT3 Evo. P0 track tires all the way around. Center lock wheels. All carbon fiber. This thing is gorgeous. Roll cage. All GT3 interior. Got 2 fuel sides. This car weighs 1,600 pounds. This thing is sick. 2019 Cobra. Here it is. If I haven't seen it.
Those tires.
Carbon fiber wheels. This thing is beautiful. 2019 Shelby, this thing is beautiful. Look at the size of the rotors on this thing. That's gotta be at least some 19-inch rotors or 18-inch rotors. Nah, this is a Performante. See how you got the carbon all inside?
It's a Huracan.
Yeah, it's a Huracan, just a Performante. I know. This is a fully custom Lexus LC 500 carbon kit, carbon wheels. Man, this thing is beautiful. Look how aggressive that front end look. I'm not no Lexus fan, but man, look at that wide body kit on it. That's so clean. And we got the Bull. That's clean. If I had a Jeep, this is how it would look right here. Toyota Supra. This is the new 2020 Toyota Supra. This thing is gorgeous. They're not telling me the horsepower, but I wonder if it's gonna have a V6 twin turbo. I'm about to read up on this thing. This is a Vador. This car is custom built. They take a Infiniti G37 and strip all the body parts, and then they put this kit on it. Some McLaren. No, this is Austin Martin DB9. 2 Bentley Bentegas. Let's see what they want for this thing. 141 for the new 19 ZR1. This thing is beautiful. Lime green Camaro. This is clean. 2019 R8 Spider. This thing is gorgeous. Pearl white. Actually, it's satin pearl white. V10 all-wheel drive. '19 RS5. Still in there, girl.
Yes. It's the one.
It's the one, huh? Okay. Carbon fiber rockers. Carbon fiber mirrors. That's the grocery getter?
Yeah, with no problems.
Man, that sucker got some room.
It does.
That's a bad little car right here. See if it's gonna flip over. After owning a Range Rover, I know the truth. Things are true when it comes to their suspension. Can't no SUV compete with them. Let's see if these people in this one here gonna be some daredevils. Let's check them out. Let's see how hard he gonna go up on. Don't be scared. Don't get up there. Get up there. Uh-oh, let me see. Oh yeah, he getting up there. Oh. Oh yeah, he up there. Now we got the big one coming through. Uh-oh, big boy. Big boy getting up there. Big boy getting up there. Ooh. He working that thing. That's a big old truck. Oh yeah. That suspension the truth. That been a Ford Explorer, it'll snap. Nah, I would make it. All right, it's taxi time. Tell them what they got to do, Chaz.
Okay, so whenever you're done watching this, make sure you subscribe and like to his channel and check out more videos. And his channel is called Dom's Car Review. So tell your friends and family to go check it out. Okay, guys?
All right.
We'll see you on the next video.
We must pay homage to him.
We out.